Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a strategy that is so unique. I love this strategy and I'm going to show you guys it, and I hope you guys learn something new. Let's get into the video. Alright, this will be my first trade. I can see the price is oversold, right? And we are above the moving average, right? And I could see the candlestick pattern also. It's super strong, because not all candlestick patterns are strong. You have to know the strong ones from the weak ones, and I can see that this is super strong. There is so much things I'm looking at right now. This trade is beautiful, like amazing. I like it when my first trades always go to plus. For who are interested, the platform registration link will be in the description. You guys could create a free account and trade using this strategy after practicing. Beautiful. Let's find our next trade. Okay, I took this trade because I realized there was a momentum, right? And the buyers break the moving average so strong, it's almost who is interested in mentorship, you can contact my admin on Telegram and he will get you registered for the mentorship. But to be clear guys, the mentorship cost, so I'm just letting you know that. Let's find our next trade. For the indicators, we are gonna use moving average. Okay, settings are 20. You can keep the line however you want. I'm gonna turn it to blue, 3 pixel. For the next indicator, it's gonna be stochastic oscillator, one and only stochastic. The settings are 733 SMA. For the lines, I'm gonna thicken them. For the stochastic oscillator, I don't change colors. I like the colors that they have, so I don't change them. Then we are gonna add our parabolic SAR. This is one of my favorite. Okay, and then we are going to fine tune this to 23 and this to 0.18. Okay, for the styles I'm gonna use dark blue. That's it. So yes guys, these are the settings for the indicators. So let's get into the other trades. Right, I'm taking this trade. As you can see, there is a doji. The doji closes on the moving average, and moving average are dynamic support and resistance, and doji closing on a support and resistance, sign of reversal, right? And as you could see, the stochastic oscillator is oversold, and we are with the trend. We are in a downtrend. It's so clear. This trade is so nice. And another thing, I could see that the red candle wick created a lower low to the previous low of the green candle. So that shows me there is strong selling pressure. Plus we are going with the trend, and make sure guys you're always going with the trend. The trend is your friend until it ends. Never forget that. This trade is a beautiful trade, and I've been searching for a while, and I finally find this. It's so nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's find our next trade. Nice. Nice. All right, guys. For all who are interested, like for beginners who just wanna learn trading and stuff like that, I have a $10 course, so you guys could get yourself in action. So you guys could learn about trading, money management, stuff like that. It's very good for beginners because I design it in a way that even if you have a 50% win rate accuracy, you could still make money. I designed the money management like that. So if you're interested, contact my admin and he will get you registered for that mini course. But for people who are very serious about trading and want to make like 10,000 and stuff like that, I have mentorship for you guys, right? If you check the Telegram, you will see the price and everything for it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's find our next trade. Guys, I missed this trade previously. I was supposed to enter right here, but by the time I was trying to enter, the price was all the way down here. See this wick? This is a very huge rejection. I'm a little bit worried because this rejection is so strong. It's showing set buyers pressure, but as you can see, this is a momentum. Okay, we are below the moving average, we are below the parabolic SAR, and the stochastic oscillator has crossed. So guys, the pro tip for today is whenever you see momentums and you have a signal giving you the same direction, you could go ahead and take that trade, because momentum means buyers or sellers are in control at that particular time. This trade is a beautiful trade.